Shri Sai Ram. In the previous class we discussed a few problems from the exercise 11.1. In this session we continue that and we will start another exercise which is 11.2. Here the question is, in how many ways can 2 vacancies be filled from among 4 men and 12 women if one vacancy is filled by a man and other by women. Okay. So, that means here there are 2 vacancies here, one is men, other one is women. In that way we have to find how many number of ways we can fill that 2 vacancies, one is men, other one is women. Here there are 2 vacancies, say, so these are the 2 vacancies, okay. And here we have 4 men and 12 women. In how many ways we can fill 2 vacancies if one is men, other one is women, is here if I take this is a vacancy for men and this is vacancy for women, from this we can say there are how many men are there? There are 4 men. So, and this vacancy can be filled by in 4 ways. Similarly, other one is women and that vacancy can be filled by 12 ways. Means there are 4 choices and here there are 12. So, the total number will be, okay. Our question is, find how many ways can 2 vacancies be filled. So, the 2 vacancies filled by the total number of vacancies be filled is, there are 4 men and there are 12 women. So, 4 into 12 is 48. There are 48 ways we can choose men and women, as men is 4 and women is 12. So, there are 48 ways we can fill the 2 vacancies. We will move on to the next problem. A tourist wants to go to another country by ship and return by air. She has a choice of 5 different ships to go by and 4 airlines to return by. In how many ways can she perform the journey? Here the question is very clear. She can go to another country by 5 different ways, that is 5 different ways she can go by ship, and while return she can have 4 choices while return by airline. So, here how many ways, total number of ways, one is she can go by ship, how many different ways she can go by 5 different ways, means you can assume 5 different routes she can go by ship, that is 5, and here airline she can return by 4 ways by airlines, okay. By airplane she can have 4 different ways to return by. So, then how many ways she can perform the journey? The total number of ways can she perform the journey is, see there are 5 ways, means that there are 5 outcomes from 5 ways she can go by and she can return by 4 ways. So, by counting principle, fundamental of counting principle, we can have 4 into 5. There are 4 into 5, 5 4s are 4 into 5 or 5 into 4. So, 4 5s are 20. Okay. So, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 20 ways she can perform different ways as she go by as well as she return by. Okay. There will be total 20 ways she can have journey. Next. So far we have applied the counting principle for 2 events, understand. So, as we discussed the previous examples, we have applied only 2 events, okay. But it can be extended to 3 or more events, as you can see from the following examples. Okay, let us see one example which has more than 2 events. Example here, there are 3 questions in the question paper. If the questions have 4, 3 and 2 solutions, that means one question has 4 solutions, second one has 3 solutions and third one has 2 solutions, like that. Find the total number of solutions, okay, which is also a counting principle you can see, but here number of events are 3. Here the solution here, the question 1 has 4 solutions, understand, and the question number 2 has 3 solutions and the question number 3 has 2 solutions. By the multiplication rule or the counting rule, we have the total number of solutions will be 4 into 3 into 2, means that question number 1 has 4 solutions, 2 has 3 and third one has 2 solutions. By multiplication rule, 4 into 3 into 2, that is 24, 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24. There will be a 24 solutions will be there. How many, another example you can see here, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed with the digits 1, 4, 7, 8 and 9 if the digits are not repeated. Okay. This is a condition, the digits should not be repeated. Here 3-digit means a 3-digit number has a 3-digit number, 3-digit number has three-digit number has unit, 10 and 100 place. Got it? So now we need to form 3-digit number without repetition by given with using the given digits. So there are 3 digits, okay. Here this is unit place, this is 10 place and this is 100 place, and here the given digits are 1, 4, 7, 8 and 9. Here the condition is without repetition. See, the unit place or the 100 place can be filled with any of these digits. How many digits are there? What are the choices you can fill this place? Means either you can fill 1, either 2, either 4, either 7, either 8 or 9. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There will be 5 chances. The 100 place can be filled by 5 ways. Similarly, now any of this either 1 or 4, 7, 8 or 9, any of this digit is removed now, because the condition is given. What is that? The digit should not be repeated. So let us say 1 is removed. Then how many digits are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 10th place can be filled by 4 ways. The 10th place place can be filled by 4 ways. Okay. Now, any of this 4 digits is removed. Say 8 is removed, say either 4 is removed, 7 is removed, 8 is removed or 9 is removed, but any one digit is removed. Now, how many digits left? We have 3 digits left, 1, 2, 3. So, unit place can be filled by 3 ways. The unit place can be filled by 3 ways. Hence, by counting rule or multiplication rule, total number of digits will be so 5 into 4 into 3. So, how much? 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60 ways. So, there are instead of telling 60 ways, there are 60 numbers are possible. There are 60 numbers. Okay, there are 63 digit numbers are possible without repetition by using the given digits. Okay, this is a solution. Next, let us now state the general counting principle. If there are n events and if the first event can occur in m1 ways, the second event can occur in m2 ways. After the first event has occurred, the third event can occur in m3 ways. After the second event has occurred and so on, this is repeating. Okay, cyclically this process is repeating, then all the n events can occur in m1 into m2 into, so it's go on into mn ways. This is something like counting rule. Let's see the problems regarding to this. What is the maximum number of 6-letter palindromes are possible with using this? 6-letter palindromes means, say the English has 26 alphabets, right? So, 26 letters. With 26 letters, I need to make a 6-letter word. 6-letter, say for example, pull up. How many letters here? There are 6 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, you can read pull up and reverse it. Okay, in a reverse way you can write it. Okay, that is P U L L U P. The word is same, that is called palindrome. Okay, so there are many words like this, whether it is meaningful or doesn't mean anything. So, the problem here is we need to make a 6-letter palindromes using 26 alphabets. So, that can be done in this way. So, there are 6 vacancies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 vacancies, and listen here, whatever the letter which is similarly which is repeated on the other side, like this. See, U is U here and L is L here, which is repeated. If you reverse it, also it can be the same, like mirror images. So, now if you have something like this, A, reverse it, it looks the same, right? So, some such words we can call it as palindromes, but A doesn't mean anything, right? But pull up means it. Now, this first vacancy can be filled by 26 ways. Okay. And second one here, the condition is not given whether repeated, non-repeated. So here also it will be 26, and here also it will be 26. That means if you have x here and here y and here z, the same thing should be have here, x, y, z. Like one word I have given example, pull up, okay, or dened, D-N-N-E-D. There are so many words like this. So now you may see this vacancy can be filled by 26 ways, either A, B, C, D till Z, and this is also same thing, it will be filled by 26 ways. And the third vacancy, which is also filled by 26 ways, and later, and this will be filled by what, in one way, okay, because the same letter should be repeat here, okay. So this vacancy will fill by only one way, and this letter, this vacancy will fill by only one way, because this letter should be same there also, and here this also same, similarly the vacancy should be filled by in one way. So therefore the total number of six letter palindromes are so 26, 26, 26, 1 into 1 into 1. So there will be 26 power 3 6 letter palindromes are possible. So what is the number? 17576. See, this many 6 letter palindromes are possible. In a school, there are 5 English teachers. And there will be 7 Hindi teachers, and there will be 3 French teachers. And the question here, a 3-member committee is to be formed with one teacher representing each language. In how many ways can this be done? Means here there will be a committee of 3 members, and each should be have language teacher, right? So either English, Hindi, French. So you cannot be form a committee like all 3 Hindi teachers or all 3 English teachers or all 3 French teachers. Okay, the committee must be having at least one English teacher, or at least one teacher, language teacher. That's it. Okay, it will be a combination of English, French, and Hindi teachers, like that. The committee should be formed like that. So there will be 3 vacancies. I mean, there will be 3 members the committee has, and how many ways we can form a committee having 3 members, and among the 3, one language must be there. All 3 languages must be there. And here if you take English teacher, and I can make 5, and here English teacher, Hindi teacher, French teacher, and here will be 7 teachers, and here will be 3 French teachers. I can form 5 into 7 into 3. That many ways I can form a committee having each language teacher. So the total number of ways is equal to, so there will be 5 English teachers, there will be 7 Hindi teachers, and there will be 3 French teachers. So what is the answer for this? 5 sevens are 35, 3 sevens are 21, 21 fives are 105. See, there will be 105 ways, 105 ways the committee can be formed, and the committee having one teacher represent each language. That means the committee should have all the 3 language teachers. So, there will be 105 ways we can do this. Another problem, in how many 3-digit numbers is greater than 600 can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 5, 6, 8 without repeating the digits? Answer to this question is, so we need to form 3-digit, and that 3-digit number must be greater than 600. Means that there is no 0 here. In the given digits there is no 0. So, the number will be 612, okay, 621, 615, 616, 618, like that. So, here the 3-digit number having unit place, 10 place and 100 place. Now, here the question is, the 3-digit number must be greater than 600. Then the 100 place, the number of ways in 100 place is either 6 or 8, and here condition is digits must not be repeated. So, here the 100 place can be filled by how many ways? 2 ways. Okay, even though 100 place is filled by 2 ways, and one digit must be removed from the given digits. Given digits are 1, 2, 5, 6, 8. Any one of this digit is removed. So, 1 cannot be removed, 2 cannot be removed, 5 cannot be removed, because the 3-digit number be greater than 600. Either 6 or 8 can be removed. Then if one digit is removed, how many digits are left? Say I can remove this 8. So, how many digits remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the 10th place can be filled by how many ways? There will be 1, 2, 3, 4 ways. Okay. So, now one of the digit will be removed, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8 already. So, I can remove 6, then how many digits will left? We left 3 digits. Then obviously the unit place can be filled by how many ways? 3 ways. Therefore, the total number of three-digit numbers will be equal to 2 into 4 into 3 is equal to 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. There will be 24 numbers. There will be 24 3-digit numbers are possible which are greater than 600. Okay, assignment questions. How many ways can 2 vacancies be filled from among 4 men and 12 women if the vacancies is filled by men and the other is women? So, we have already done this. See, what is the number of 6-digit palindromic numbers which do not have 0 in the first digit? So, kindly do this. So, you make a 6-digit number, and a 6-digit number should not be in the first digit. Okay. And another question is, in a college students union election, 4 students are contesting for the post of president, and 5 students are contesting for the post of vice president, and 3 students are contesting for the post of secretary. Then how many number of possible results? Okay, how many ways the results will be possible is 5 into 4 into 3 ways. And another question is, a person want to make a timetable for 4 periods. He has to fix 1 period for each English, for English, mathematics, economics and commerce, how many different timetables can he make? Obviously 4 into 3 into 2. In this 4 into 3 into 2 ways he can make. So, understand the problem and find out the solution for the problem. Think before you do. So, it will be more about its accounting principles only. Okay, with this can conclude this class. Thank you. Sai Ram.